Coding is hard and debugging is even worse. But what if you could get AI to do most of it for you while you sip coffee and act like a 10x developer? Enter Cursor AI, the ultimate AI coding assistant that makes you look like a 10x developer, even if you're barely a 1x developer. So what the heck is Cursor and why should you even bother? It's basically VS Code on steroids. But instead of just being a code editor, it comes packed with AI-powered features like AI chat assistant to debug, brainstorm, and get code explanations, inline editor to modify and generate code directly in your files, auto-completion to give you AI-powered suggestions as you type, image to code to turn UI designs into functional components, multi-file code generation to let AI generate entire features. And if you watch this video till the end, you might still stand a chance against AI. For now, if you have spent hours finding the bug to end up finding that you missed on line 73, then you probably need it. In short, Cursor is your coding sidekick that does half the work for you and makes you a more productive developer. Prerequisites. But there are mainly two things you need to have to get started with Cursor. First, you need to have basic coding knowledge, and being able to print hello world works fine. Second, you need to have an IQ above -34, and I'm assuming you already have both if you're subscribed to me. And if you don't have both, it totally sounds like a skill issue. Now that you know what is Cursor, let me actually show you how it actually works. Step 1. Download Cursor. You will need to download Cursor, obviously. So head over to cursor.com or click the link in the description and download Cursor for your desktop. Install it, click Continue, choose Start from Scratch, click Continue, and then sign up if you don't have an account. Step 2. Open a folder. This is where you'll be working. Pick or create a folder and open it inside Cursor. Step 3. Hit Ctrl+I or Command+I on Mac. You will see Cursor Composer on the right side. You can choose which AI model you want to use. I personally like Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Now all you need to do is give it a prompt and it will generate the code for you, and you can also give it a context file so it will know about the context of the file, which is super useful for debugging. You can click on Accept All, and it will apply all the code automatically in your editor. You would still have to run commands yourself. Now you have a basic code structure. Step 3. Hit Ctrl+L or Command+L on Mac. You will see the chat window on the right side. It basically have all the same features as Cursor Composer. But then what's the difference in Composer and chat window? Composer allows multi-file creation and is best for generating full features, multi-file code, and boilerplate, while chat window is best for debugging, explaining code, and answering questions. Step 4. Select whatever code you don't understand or want to modify and hit Ctrl+K or Command+K on Mac. Describe what you want, and AI will generate or update the code. Step 5. Start coding. But this is tutorial on how to code with AI. Well, hear me out. Cursor also has auto-completion, so you won't have to use your tiny brain. Can't Cursor help me generate a good UI? Well, Cursor Composer and chat window also comes with image to code. You just have to provide it an image and ask it to generate UI like in the image. And here you go. Some pro tips. Pro tip 1. Before even starting to code, have a proper plan. AI won't fix bad ideas. Pro tip 2. Be very, very, very specific in your prompts. If you're vague, you'll get ChatGPT tier code. Cursor AI is insanely good. It won't replace real developers, but it makes coding way easier, faster, and less painful. And best of all, it's free. So why not try it? Let me know in the comments, are you switching to Cursor?